Because we have landed at Kota Kinabalu International Airport, we are pleased to inform you that we have landed 30-minute ahead of schedule. For your safety, please remain seated until the craft comes to complete stop. You may now use your mobile phones or tablet in flight mode or connect to mobile network. To be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and before leaving the craft, please check that you have all hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance arrival, please contact our ground staff. On behalf of Captain Vinod, First Officer Paul, and the rest of the